Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to transfer audio to GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GarageBand, where we can get started re-recording ourselves, we can go and play instruments, we can download the plugin, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can transfer audio to our GarageBand if we already have some that we want to use. Basically, let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new menu page where we can get started recording ourselves and our tracks. And now we can go ahead and take a look at how to import our audio file. So the first thing we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner. Go to the upper left corner and click edit mode. That is the button right here in the middle. And this is now going to open up this edit mode right here where you can see all our tracks and recordings. And now guys, as you can see in the upper right corner, we have gotten a new button that's going to enable us to import audio files into GarageBand. So go ahead and click this button right here next to the settings button. That's going to open up this new menu where we can get started with importing browsing files that we have. And as you can see, that it says browse files and items from the files app, and this is what you want to open. And once clicking on this, you can now go ahead and find your mp3 file or your audio file that you want to add, and after clicking on it, it's going to appear right here that you can now go ahead and drag and drop into your project. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it and how to import your audio files. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.